Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Russia publicly unveils Geran 5 long-range combat drone during Victory Day commemorations. Russia has officially unveiled the Geran 5 long-range combat unmanned aerial vehicle during Victory Day commemorations, publicly confirming the existence of a new strike drone already used in the war in Ukraine. The system is described as a low-cost loitering munition and is considered a Russian counterpart to Ukraine's FP-5 Flamingo drone. The Geran 5 is smaller than the Ukrainian FP-5 Flamingo, resulting in a shorter operational range and a lighter warhead. The unmanned aircraft has reportedly been in operational use for several months before its official public presentation. The drone was first identified on the 11th of January 2026 after wreckage recovered in Ukraine was analyzed by Main Directorate of Intelligence of the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine, also known as GUR. Ukrainian military intelligence later disclosed estimated technical characteristics and information concerning components used in the drone's construction. According to the disclosed information, the Geran 5 is powered by a Chinese-manufactured Telefly TFTJ-2000A turbojet engine with estimated thrust of approximately 2 kN. The propulsion system reportedly enables the drone to reach speeds of up to 800 km per hour. The operational range of the Geran 5 is estimated at around 1,000 km. The drone's maximum takeoff weight is believed to be approximately 850 kg. The unmanned aircraft is reported to carry a 90-kilogram warhead, although the payload could reportedly be increased to between 120 and 130 kilograms at the expense of fuel capacity and operational range. The drone may also be equipped with Vimpel R-73 guided missiles for self-defense. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.